So this is how to transfer an investment account from Investors Group to Wealthsimple. Once you guys open up Wealthsimple at the bottom, select the transfer icon or the icon where the two arrows are heading in opposite directions. Once you're on this page right here, the Move Money page, scroll down to where it says Accounts, and then select on Transfer Account to Wealthsimple, and then press on Get Started. Once you're here, if you were to scroll all the way to the bottom for me, the Investors Group icon is there. Go ahead and select that. If it's not there, go to the search bar and search for it. Once you're here, you can sign in through the app for a faster experience, or you can go to the very bottom and select Enter Information Manually, which is what I will be doing for this example. Once you're here, you can select the type of accounts that you're transferring. So for example, there's some popular accounts right here, savings accounts, retirement accounts, etc. Let's just say, for example, you want to transfer your TFSA. You would press TFSA and then press on Next. Then once you're on this page, you can go ahead and fill in the required details. Once that is done, it'll actually, complete the transaction and the transfer for you. So that is how to transfer the investment account from Investors Group over to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.